Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert right arrow symbol in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to insert the right arrow symbol. You can add this into cell, otherwise text box. Now I am at text box. Go to the insert menu. Select the text box option and draw a text box. Then go back again the insert menu, select the symbol option. Now we can see here many symbol. You can choose the right arrow symbol, find the font windings, then press enter. Now we can see here many symbol. You can add the right arrow, select this right arrow. We can see here the left arrow or the right arrow, more than arrow. Now I am select the right arrow and click insert, then close, then select the arrow and go to the home menu and increase the font size. You can change the color of size. Now we can see we insert right arrow in Excel easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.